What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day of With the Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum Custom Mix series with a brand new spray out combination of Rustoleum colors and awesome pearls. Today, subscriber asked for yellow with a gold pearl over top of it. I guess he's looking for like a candy yellow effect for his 240, so that's what we're going to do. And on the other side of the fender, because you know we're going to two-tone it, we're going to use our tried and true gloss black, but there's going to be a little bit of a twist. Like I said, he wanted gold over the yellow. A lot of people have wanted gold over the black. Well, I've used that yellow gold pearl to death. It's a solid pearl, so I'm switching it up today with a gold interference pearl. This is a ghost pearl, guys, so what it's going to do over both of them, who knows, but we're going to find out. So, like I said, I got my fender behind me. We're going to two-tone it, yellow on one side, gloss black on the other, and let's get on into today's video. Alright guys, so fender's looking like a bumblebee, so great success. Anyways, this is my trash clear, my test clear. Don't use it full scale. If you want to use any of the products you see today, good clear, my paint gun, different pearls, guys. Check the link in the description. As seen on YouTube, click that link. It takes you to my Amazon page, and you get the benefits of Prime and everything else with free shipping and all that mess, and stuff's really not that expensive. I do get a small kickback, but it doesn't cost you guys any extra, so check that out if you want to. This is one of the many pearls I got on there. This is part of a ghost / interference kit. This is gold. It's a 10-gram bottle, so it goes a pretty long ways. The way I'm going to do it today is I'm going to just kind of spritz a little bit. I'm not going to go super crazy because I have on past episodes, and we all know how that goes. So, all right, that should be plenty. So, I'm going to bring you guys in close, let you see this. We'll mix it up, we'll load up the gun, and we'll get to spraying the pearl on the fender. All right, guys, so as you can see, this is a white particle-based interference pearl. When the light hits it, you see gold. Now, watch what happens when I stir it. Now, see how it looks white and milky? And then if you hit it at the right angle, you can see gold. Pretty cool, right? So that is interference pearls for you, white particle, or that's why some people call them ghost pearls, because when the light don't hit them, they pretty much disappear. So I'm gonna get the gun loaded up and we'll get to spraying. Alright guys, so I'm using my V4 gun again today, obviously. 1.4 tip, I shoot a 28 PSI wide open trigger. If you want to replicate my settings, make sure to keep your pearls agitated in the mix. Do a light coat first, just introduce the Rustoleum to the clear coat, and that way you don't get any reactions or any crazy mess. So, alright, I'm going to put my mask on and let's get spraying. Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. Ginger yellow and gloss black with a gold interference or ghost pearl over top of it. Now, subscriber, the one that requested the yellow with the gold pearl, what do you think? Did it do like you wanted it to do? Do you think we should add more or less pearl into the mix? Give me your thoughts and comments. Gloss black, guys, we already know. Any pearl over gloss black always looks pretty cool. But ultimately, I want you guys to rate it. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between. There's no wrong answers, just opinions. And everybody's got one. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you for watching today. I had a lot of fun. If you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button. Drop me a like and comment. And what spray outs would you like to see next that we haven't already done? I appreciate you guys for watching today. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next spray out.